Welcome to Overgo World, the channel for all things tech, vacations and holidays. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos.
Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion. Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Nothing to see here. Move along.
You don't look like recruits.
I've got this.
Intrusion alarm, level 2. All units alerted.
My turn.
Let's try this again. Who sent you?
An old friend.
System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing.
Taskmaster. What do you want?
HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet.
It's in the jet. Let's go.
Incoming call from Mr. Stark.
Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I sent help.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
T'Challa, the vibranium!
Leave it to me.
We've got it. Let's go.
Friday, seal off Bay 94.
Yes, Ms. Romanoff. Bay 94 secure.
This is not going to end well for you.
for this?
Not today.
You know how this ends.
Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.